Printing some upgrades for the Ender 3 S1 Pro. Got the knobs printing. They're getting close to done. I will show you in a few seconds here what they look like when they're done. Alright, she just finished up. Still stuck. Boom. What do you guys think here? Not too bad. And these go right on here. Give her a little push. I probably need to use 2 hands for that. But that's now my new bed knobs. The other one right here goes over on this side. Sorry for the light. Need 2 hands to push it on there. You guys get the concept? Pretty good. Here we go, guys, all pushed on.